Top 5 Best Racing Drone. Number 5. BETAFPV Cetus Pro Brushless Drone. The BETAFPV Cetus Pro stands out as a top-tier brushless racing drone designed for enthusiasts who demand high-performance capabilities. Its brushless motor system provides enhanced power and efficiency, contributing to faster speeds and improved maneuverability. The drone's aerodynamic design further optimizes its racing potential, allowing pilots to navigate through challenging courses with precision. The Cetus Pro's camera system ensures clear and dynamic footage, adding an immersive element to the racing experience. With customizable settings and responsive controls, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro is a reliable choice for drone racing professionals and enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance. Coming in number 4. Bwine F7 Mini Drones with Camera for Adults. The Bwine F7 Mini is a compact yet powerful racing drone designed for adults who crave a thrilling flying experience. Despite its smaller size, this drone doesn't compromise on performance. The included camera captures impressive footage, and the drone's agility ensures an exhilarating racing experience. With user-friendly controls and a durable build, the Bwine F7 Mini is suitable for both beginners and seasoned racers. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, allowing users to take the excitement of drone racing wherever they go. For those looking for a mini drone with professional features, the Bwine F7 Mini is a top choice. Coming in number 3. Bwine F7 GPS Camera Professional Drone. For those seeking a professional racing drone, the Bwine F7 stands out with its GPS camera and high-performance capabilities. The drone is equipped with a professional-grade camera that supports high-resolution recording, giving racers a competitive edge in capturing clear and detailed footage. The GPS feature enhances its navigation, providing accurate positioning during races. The drone's robust frame and efficient propulsion system contribute to its overall stability and speed. The Bwine F7 is an ideal choice for drone racing enthusiasts who prioritize advanced features and professional-grade performance. Coming in number 2. Ruko GPS Drone with 4K Camera for Adults. Ruko GPS Drone is a formidable contender in the racing drone category, known for its powerful features tailored for adults and professionals. The 4K camera delivers stunning visuals, capturing every moment with clarity. The GPS technology ensures accurate positioning and enables intelligent flight modes, adding a layer of convenience for racers. The drone's robust build and agile maneuverability make it suitable for racing enthusiasts seeking both performance and durability. With a user-friendly interface and advanced flight controls, the Ruko GPS drone is an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their racing skills. Coming in number 1. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom stands out as one of the top racing drones in the market, thanks to its cutting-edge features and impressive performance. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, this drone offers stable and high-quality footage, making it a favorite among both beginners and experienced drone racers. The GPS functionality enhances its precision and stability during flights, providing a smooth and reliable racing experience. With a sleek design and durable build, the Potensic Atom is a reliable choice for those looking to step up their racing game.